So let me tell you a funny story about people passing. Now you might be thinking I'm talking about people passing their CDL road test, and that's what one of our employees actually thought when this funny story happened. This is Jody. He's actually the Director of Operations here at Driving Academy, and one of our goals here as leadership is to make sure that our team is always increasing to the next level, because our mission is to help 1 million people get on the road to freedom. So Jody, you told me this one story about one of our team members. And we're so excited to see people actually pass and people be successful.
Yeah.
And how did it almost backfire on us?
Funny story. So I was in the back office, and a gentleman comes in. One of our students comes in and tells us, "Hey, my mom passed." And so our team member says to the gentleman, "Don't worry, you're going to pass too." But the guy actually meant that his mom passed away. So
wow, a huge difference between passing and passing away. But that just goes to show you exactly what we're focused on here at Driving Academy. And the guy, I think, actually did wind up passing his road test,
He did
right?
end up passing his test. Yes, he did.
He didn't pass away, but he
didn't pass away. And I don't mean to laugh,
Correct.
but it was just a pretty funny to hear from that in the office there.
Now, for people who do want to pass their road test and not just pass away, what are some of the skills that they need to have before they actually move forward for the road test?
For the road test itself, I really think that they should, the pre-trip inspection, I think, is something that they really need to focus on, and what we're focusing on in the yard more and more, and working with Eric and the yard manager. Just focus on that pre-trip, guys. Focus on that pre-trip, and it's an hour and a half long. So make sure you get that pre-trip under control, guys. And
now, for those of you who don't know what a pre-trip is, that's the ability to inspect both the inside and outside of the vehicle. And the cool thing about being a student here at Driving Academy is we've trained thousands of students so far. We've mastered scientifically exactly how to train you no matter what skill level that you're at. We break the pre-trip down into 5 different sections, so it makes it very easy for you to digest, very easy for you to learn the process. The goal is for you to master 1 item per day while you're here at training, and if you just follow the process, they should be able to pass, right?
Absolutely, 100%. First time, too.
The cool thing about being a student here is that we're so confident that you're going to be getting your CDL license that we're willing to guarantee that you get your CDL by giving you the guaranteed training course. How does a guaranteed training course work? Our
guaranteed training course works where basically we give you an unlimited package and you keep trying and trying until you pass, okay? That's how our limited package works.
Yeah, and when you got your CDL license at a different school, it actually took you more than once to
It took me more than once. So I'll tell you the story. I went to another school. I paid $5,000 for that school for 1 try at my test.
Wow.
1 try. I did not pass the first time, so I had to pay $750 to take another test.
Wow.
I did not pass the second time. I had to pay another $750.
So if you just would have come to a school like ours that offered guaranteed training courses, it would have been a lot cheaper, and you would have passed.
A lot cheaper and a lot much better process. Definitely, for sure.
So learn from his mistakes so you don't have to make the same mistakes yourself. Most of the time when people try to go with the shortcut, it winds up costing them a lot more in the long run. And the one thing that you guys do have to know, the road test is changing in August of this year. So definitely you want to make sure you lock yourself in now before the road test gets even more difficult moving forward. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you pass your test, and I hope that your day of passing is much further in the future. God bless, and have a good one.
Take care, guys.
Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.